Transform your aquarium maintenance routine with the innovative 36 West Fish Tank Vacuum Gravel Cleaner. This powerful device simplifies aquarium upkeep like never before. This electric vacuum cleaner comes with adjustable power settings and a silent operation feature. You can choose between 3 power levels, 18W, 24W, or 36W. Plus, the time shutoff allows you to focus on other tasks while it cleans. With its upgraded filter cup system, this vacuum clears up to 99% of impurities from your aquarium water, ensuring a clean and safe environment for your aquatic life. This versatile aquarium vacuum performs multiple tasks, from automatic water changes to gravel cleaning and algae removal. It includes various attachments, making it a true all-in-one solution for your aquarium maintenance. No matter the size of your fish tank, this cleaner adjusts to fit all. The telescopic tube and extended hose provide maximum reach, but remember to keep the switch away from water. This cleaner is designed to be user-friendly with comprehensive accessories that enable hassle-free aquarium maintenance. You'll save time and effort compared to traditional methods. While the innovative features of this vacuum offer great potential, some customer reviews indicate quality concerns, particularly related to assembly and performance. Be informed before making a purchase. If you found this review helpful, check the link in the description to get your own 36W Fish Tank Vacuum Gravel Cleaner. And remember to subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and give us a thumbs up for this video.